Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Hanso T official. Today I'm going to show the famous kholar or the kidney beans, which is the famous in Nagaland in Yimkhiung land. So today this flower we call as kibe matang. Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I went for the field in my field to put seeds. The famous curry in Yimkhiung land that is called kholar or the kidney beans, which is famous in Nagaland as well as in the world. And it also export not only in Nagaland but it export whole of the states in India as well as the foreigners countries like USA, Canada, UK and all, and Russia, so and so. So this before starting the real video, this we are called as kibe matang, but I don't know in English. So if audience know, then please comment on. Now it's month of October, August. It's right time to put the seedling of the kholar curries in the field, and we used to clean this all grasses in the field, and after that we used to put on how to put kholar beans in the field. Let me show with through practical. So let's see the video how they are putting, and let us get a knowledge if you don't know, and if you know, okay fine, but if you don't know, please watch nicely when you are putting kholar. We used to dig little bit mud and clear all the stumps and put soft. We used to filter it by the overspade, and we put just near 5 to 6 kholar. Actually my kholar seeds is not well, so I used to put nearly 6-7, so that if remaining die out, then for remaining it will be grown up. So like this, you should not put in the where that stone is there, so you should have to be dig nicely mud and put it and fix it, put for the mud and close it like this. So this is how the kholar harvesting, and mostly we Yimkhiung used to put the kholars in the month of August 15 onwards, after 15 August onwards, and we used to harvest in October. And this flower I told you we call as kibe matang. Comment down below.